Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel JSSAGOO Vlogs. Yesterday I gave my bullet to the mechanic for the buffing, and if you doesn't know what the buffing means, you can just Google it out and you will get all the information about the buffing of the motorcycle of the vehicle, because you can buff up your all your cars, your scooteries, your etc., your all vehicles. And it cost me around rupees 1000, and yeah, I gave him the motorcycle yesterday morning and he returned me yesterday evening. And when I got the motorcycle, it was completely dark and I was unable to shoot the video, so I thought that I should shoot the video tomorrow. So today I am shooting this video, so let's go and check how the bullet looks. If you guys want more such videos from me in the future, please like, share, subscribe to JSSAGOO Vlogs. As always, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Peace.